What did my fucking rod do? What? Alright, so we're here right next to the golf course, fishing for carp in this small creek right here. Last time we were here we saw some rolling and flapping their tails. So this time we came back with some corn and a couple split shots and a small bait holder hook and see if we can catch some fish. There's Will. There's the corn. Net. So we'll come back to you guys when we have a fish. Alright, Will's hooked up on a big carp right here. Just let him run, alright? When he takes drag, just let him take it. Nice, man! Woo. What did my fucking rod do?
Huh?
What did my rod do?
All of a sudden you started to walk away and it started moving and then all of a sudden it moved faster and I picked it up and I set the hook.
Ooh, nice fish, nice fish. So
You
let's see if I
got the net? You got the net?
Get him up here. Get him up here. Okay, okay. Just play him out, play him out. Okay, get him up.
He's right there.
Slowly. Just play him, dude. Let him take it if he wants to. Oh, shit. He knows. Just play him out, play him out. He'll get tired. Oh, yeah, dude. Nice fish, Will. Nice fish. Ooh. Oh, shit, he's going under the branches. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. He's got to get up here a little bit more. Here he is, here he is, here he is. Here he is. Oh, he's getting tired, he's getting tired. Right here, right here. Nice!
Yeah!
Sweet! Alright, that's the first carp of the day. Many to come. Alright, I got a big carp on the
Can't really see it.
Can't see it?
Hold on, I can do it.
You can net it?
Here, you want to hold this?
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's like the same size as yours, dude. Alright. And there's carp number 3. We'll get back to you guys when we have another one.
Good.
Alright. See me okay? Alright, so here's carp number 3. Let him go. Get this water. Back to you guys in a little bit. Let him go. Back to you guys. You recording?
I am now.
Alright guys, I got a nice carp on there. Probably the biggest one on there. Oh my god. You're recording, right?
Yep. Getting all the stuff out of the net. I don't think.
Oh my god, dude. This is awesome.
Look at that rod bend.
Oh shit. This is pretty big, dude.
Oh!
Yeah, oh yeah.
Seen it. Watch the water. How's that feel? How's that feel on the light rod?
This is awesome. 6-pound test, everybody. Oh yeah, biggest one of the day for sure. I didn't even get him in. Let's get ready for that right when he comes up, alright? Freaking sit down this whole point.
Crisscross out. Oh! Hey, do you want to hold the camera when I go to net him or no?
I got a carp.
We got one on right now.
It's a carp.
Yeah. You got this.
Oh my god. I got this net.
I got it.
You got it? You ready?
Yeah.
I got this camera. Wait. There he is. Get him. Sweet. He's not even that big.
Oh, that was weird.
Okay.
Okay, that was...
He is not that big, but he fought like a champ.
Yeah, he had to.
Oh my goodness. Alright, well, I'm going to unhook him and I'll show you guys the release. Alright, got this carp. He wasn't as big as I thought he was, but he fought like a champ.
Probably all these people think we're idiots.
I know. People think we're idiots because we're fishing on Nixon's golf course. He's alright size, I guess. Oh, it turned off.
No, it didn't. Did it really? No, it didn't.
Is it still recording?
Yeah. It is. Don't worry, I got it.
It is. You got me reeling this in right now.
I don't know if they can see it, but...
Show it on me and my rod. Is that right? Net him. Shit.
Yeah, no, I see him, I see him. Ah.
There he is. Nice. Another one in the net. Alright, we'll come back to you guys and get the release. Alright, here's the carp. Put him back.
Okay.
Alright guys, I got another carp on. Do you see me in there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright guys, we've been catching these all day, I think.
Basically.
And
at least one of us has.
yeah, Will caught one.
Hey.
Morning, caught the first one. And then I caught one. This one is not too big. It's fighting pretty good though. And I'll be headed here in a sec, I hope. Yep. Yeah,
He has not coming up yet. No?
All we're using is corn, by the way. Corn, split shots, and small baitholder hooks.
Oh.
I just saw them.
He actually didn't look that bad.
No? Bigger than the last one? The biggest one we've caught today is 5 pounds. Just about 5 pounds. Come on.
See?
He's alright. He's like right there. See if I can... never mind. He has other plans? Can you see me in that video?
Yeah. I've had...
Check this out, baby girl. Why don't you check out a nigga?
Man, I go to work. Jeans getting like school. Looking for your girl. I just missed it. Then my cat daddy.
And another one bites the dust. Sorry, I had to say I could do this. And another one, Donner.
Baby got ass, y'all call it Dennis. UPS Jackson's get it with the